We always use filters for drinking water as it helps to remove all kinds of potentially harmful chemicals. But when it comes to shower water filters, we don't take it as much seriously as it is supposed to be. Hard water dries out hair and skin easily, but a shower filter helps you to achieve a dandruff-free scalp and make skin soft and smooth. So in today's video, we are going to review the SparkPod Filtered Shower Head. This technology saves your water and time and lets you enjoy a relaxing shower massage that you always wanted in your shower time. When we first opened the box, we were impressed with its size and attractive design. The shower head comes with a half-inch pipe and a water filter with an adjustable shower head. The plumber tape is also included in the packaging. It's surprising that we can easily install the shower head in less than 5 minutes without using any tool. As soon as I start the shower, it feels like a therapeutic rain massage instantly relaxes the whole body and mind and also fills up the aura with a refreshing water smell. After just the first shower, I feel a noticeable difference in my hair and skin, and as you can see, the shower head has 3 different pressure boosting modes that provide deep massage, as it has nano nozzles that ensure a high pressure shower to the scalp and also helps to improve blood circulation. But I twisted modes and set it on the power focus stream mode so it effectively rinses out all the shampoo and residue from my hair. Now let's talk about some interesting features of this filtered shower head. SparkPod claims that its filter cartridges have 12 different layers, like coconut activated charcoal, KDF 55 and alkaline ceramic ball layers, which help to reduce chlorine, dirt and irritating odor from the shower water and helps to strengthen your hair follicles. On top of that, the maximum outflow of this shower head is 2.5 gallons per minute, so you can enjoy your hot shower without worrying about a high water bill. Last but not the least, its ergonomic design enhances the beauty of your bathroom by adding a luxurious touch. Now, if you want our opinion, do we recommend this filtered shower head? Yes, of course! Without any doubt, the SparkPod Filtered Shower Head is an excellent choice for you, especially those who have dandruff and eczema and also want to enjoy a therapeutic shower massage with less time and effort. So that was all about the SparkPod Filtered Shower Head. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.